Hawaii is no stranger to wildfires, but those of the past few days are being called some of the worst in the archipelago's history. Their toll has been devastating, although what sparked the deadly fires is still under investigation. Hurricane winds and dry weather, however, helped fuel the flames. Drought, or abnormally dry conditions across large parts of Hawaii, including the entire island of Maui, also played a role. At least 93 people have died in the fire that consumed the historic town of Lahaina on the Hawaiian island of Maui. And officials warned that the effort to find and identify the dead was still in its early stages. Meanwhile, anger at the government response to the deadliest wildfire in recent U.S. history is mounting. Residents have raised questions over various aspects of the government response, from warnings during the inferno to aid distribution in the days since.